Look, zoom.
The good news is I don't have to pry it up with a stick like I did last time.
Explain what you're doing there.
Probably putting it in backwards is probably what I'm doing.
That's a lot of fucking...
Well, you're supposed to use a bigger tree than 3-inch diameter.
You think that's 3 inches?
That's about
That's I don't even think... You probably can't even... The clamp is...
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
That's my laser. Laser is...
Laser beam?
Laser beam is perfect right there. We'll just put this thing right around there to
Rambo!
make sure.
That laser. You're so fucking retarded, man. That is.
Looks like you're way off too. Looks like you can't move.
Yeah.
At first time,
That's actually pretty.
David.
It's actually pointing over there.
I am. Well, technically I'm off to the side, so I wanted to get my ladder out of base on. Yes, I was doing it correct.
There you go.
We'll go with that.
Smoky Oak.
Oh, you got the
Makers of fine product.